Caution: the board should only be handled by the black face or the edges. Static sensitive or static precautions should be observed. Make sure you've extracted the file so that you have the 4 files shown on the screen. Take your programmer with the USB cable and plug it into the side of the computer. If it needs to update the driver for it, be sure to let it do it first. If possible, remove the board from the casing so that it looks like this. Place it on a non-conductive surface so it won't short out. Take the supplied plug that we've specially made for you and plug it in to the appropriate spot on the PCS. It is oriented only in one direction. Be sure to tighten the plug all the way up. Prior to connecting the power, be sure to take your programming cable, noting that the red stripe is on the right, and placing it on the pins pointed out here. So that it looks like such. Take care not to misskew and/or miss a couple of pins when you plug on. Now it's time to connect up to a battery source, 24 volts in your case, and power up the board. You'll know that your unit is ready by the green indicator light on the programming module. Please note, the micro, or the chip shown in the video, is either a 1281 or 2561. This is critical as you must pick which one of the files to write with or to program the controller with. If you choose the wrong file, as I'm doing purposefully here, you'll notice that it only flashed up and went right back to the screen. That's an indication you've chosen the wrong file. I'm going to now choose the correct file, and it will look like this as it processes. It'll continue on for a couple of minutes, as you can see. As it's going through this process, you don't need to do anything until it comes back to this screen. During the time period that it's processing, you'll notice lights flashing on your module as indicated here. When it's all completed, they'll flash back to a green on the one closest to the board, and the one to the computer will go blank, as is indicated here. Now, remove the power. Then, with the light red indicated there, safely remove that plug and unscrew this plug for reinsertion into the unit. In addition, you must resync or reinitialize the board for the display and, if necessary, the XMAT prior to it being operational.